the company Top Lingo with you, and modality can, could, and would for requests. Sometimes, to sound polite, we say, could you listen to me? Can you do it for me? Would you help me, please? These are polite requests. The best way to say something in English politely is to ask politely, could you listen to me, please? A little bit less formal way to say the same thing is by can. Can you do it? Can you open the door? This is how you talk to your friends, to your best colleagues, to somebody you know really well. But to sound formal, you say could or would. Could you print these papers for me? Could you have a seat, please? Would you do it for me? Would you buy me a diamond ring, please? This is a polite request. If you want to sound polite, say could or would. If you want to sound friendly, say can. All the ways are acceptable. It's you who chooses it. Enjoy modality. Could you leave us a comment, please? Would you leave us a comment, please? Can you leave us a comment, please?